Hey everyone, Dustin here. So I'm doing experiment 3 with the Tessel 2. Get this going. As this is going, experiment 3 has 3 different programs that you write. I've actually added a 4th. You might notice if you've done this before that these weren't included in experiment 3, but I did my own, so we're going to have 4. And these use this potentiometer. It's a dial you turn, and it has values that go up and down as you turn it. And you'll see how that works here in a second, because this first one, it just shows you the values on the screen as you turn it. You will see that here in just a second. See, you can see them there. And all this is doing, if you can see this, is it's just logging the value that it's getting. And so you'll see that as we turn this, it can go down and it can go up. That's about it. Oh, I can't see my hand. Yeah, I'm turning the dial. So that's it for that one. There we go. And so the next one is, let's see, the graph. And this one will show a graph on screen. So a little about me. I'm a web developer. I've been doing web development for about 7 years, and I was wanting to learn electronics, so I got this because I'm dealing a lot in JavaScript, and this uses JavaScript, so I thought, that's kind of interesting. It'd be kind of familiar. And so that's why I got this board, and I like that it has all these different tutorials you can do, so it's pretty convenient for learning. I've always wanted to learn more about electronics, but I've never really had time because I've been in school. I recently got my master's degree, so I finally have time to do some of this stuff. There we go. So you'll see this one. It just shows this graph, and it draws the bar up and down. And let me find the code for this one. Oh, did I accidentally close that? There it is. So we'll see this one has a range of 0 to 100. And if you can see it, we actually don't see the console log here, but we'll see that this is scaling to this range. So you'll see there's a value on the side. And so that will go from 0 all the way up to 99, one less than 100. So that's pretty convenient. So it gives you a nice way of just kind of limiting what kind of input this thing takes in. Now this is the last one that's included in the experiments, and this one will actually do something on the board itself. There's the code for it. So this one you'll see that we have this LED lit up, and as I turn this thing up and down, it varies its brightness. So that's pretty neat, and if you look at the code you can see the way that works, how it's using LED dot brightness and scaling it to whatever value we put in. And so the last one will be the one that I did on my own. And And what we'll do with this one is we'll turn on every time we turn the dial, it'll do it'll take in a value between, well, really between 0 and 4, because it doesn't include the 5. It's going to turn the LEDs off. It's going to get the value we select, and then it's just going to turn whichever one we select on. Okay, so here we go. So right now you can see the first one's running, and as I turn it, you can see it goes up and down, it actually turns them all off, and then whichever one it's actually selected is the one that comes on. So I will put all of the code on my GitHub. I'll put a link down below. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.